All right, we've got the Simple Way Pet Grooming Vacuum. My favorite part about this vacuum is straight up just the vacuum part that addresses their shedding. The amazing thing, all of these pieces address their shedding. This is the main one right here. And I'm just gonna show you how that works really quick. One thing, this is the low setting, very quiet, medium setting, high setting. It's not very loud. Not very loud. As you can see,
gets bothered by vacuum.
yes, he can get scared, but he's not right now. He's right next to the vacuum. He's afraid of vacuums. He's not afraid of this. So give him a treat, and then I'm gonna put this on him. He's like, "What's going on? Are you gonna give me another treat? Where's my treat at?" And we're just getting his hair. Oh, he has no idea. He's just enjoying it. Dude. He's just enjoying it. Cool. So that's a trick right there for using this. If your dog's afraid of this type of stuff, use treats, and he or she will not be afraid. So this is my favorite part about this. The other amazing part is, so all these different attachments, they just clip right on, and then you just put it back like so. So the amazing thing with this attachment, so you turn this on, you hold this down to turn this on. Now this is on, and it also vacuums right here. So as you're cutting the dog's hair, it vacuums, and here are the different clipper settings right here. So you've got 12 millimeter, 9 millimeter, 6 millimeter, and 3 millimeter. And you've also just got this as well. He doesn't need a haircut, so we're good to go there. But so that's amazing how it vacuums as well. Peyton wants another treat, and I'm going to give it to him. Can you shake? You gotta shake. Good boy, Bubba. Then the other attachment, it's also got this cleaning brush. Same thing. It vacuums as well. So you just, you're gonna clean your dog with this, and as you're cleaning your dog, it's gonna be vacuuming that up. Then you've got this last piece, which is there's these two different style combs, and it also vacuums. So as you're combing your dog, it vacuums. Here's the other attachment that fits right. I'll show you actually. So you take it out like so, and then you can replace this in here like so. Another comb right here, and as you're combing, it vacuums right up. So
it's definitely gonna get rid of having dog hair all over your couch.
If your dog sheds, he doesn't even really shed as much as most dogs, but he does. There's hair that goes around the house. Using this, gonna solve that problem. If your dog sheds, like maybe you got a golden retriever or something, straight up, amazing value for you. So highly recommend.